Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic of coordinate geometry, that is circle. Okay, so in coordinate geometry, basically we discuss about the locus of point in a plane. Okay, so what is circle? Circle is a locus of point which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. This distance is always constant, which is known as radius of circle, denoted by r. So this distance is known as radius of circle. Radius of circle. And this fixed point, generally denoted by O, is known as center of circle. Center of circle. So these two are the main parameter of circle, that is center and radius. Whenever you have to write equation of circle, you need two things, that is center or radius. If you know center and radius, you can write equation of any circle. Okay. So now the first point is center radius form. Now I'm going to discuss the various forms of equation of circle. The first is center radius form. It means there is a circle. Okay. So center is suppose A comma B and radius is suppose R. Two parameters we have, center O, that is coordinate A comma B, and radius is R, and we have a variable point P, that is coordinate X comma Y. Now P is moving on a circle. P is moving on a circle, and such that OP is always equal to R. So now OP square is equal to R square, squaring both sides. Now what is the distance OP? How we can find? By using distance formula. X minus A whole square plus Y minus B whole square is equal to R square. This is known as center radius form of circle, where A comma B is center and R is radius. R is radius. If suppose, that is a special case, if center is origin, then it looks like, if center is origin, then what will be the equation of circle in center radius form? It means A comma B is 0 comma 0. It means equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is center radius form when center is origin. So this is the first form of equation of circle, that is center radius form. It means center and radius is given. You have to find the equation of circle. Okay. Next, general equation of circle. Before knowing the general equation of circle, first we have to know the general equation of 2-degree curve. What is the general equation of 2-degree curve? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of any 2-degree curve. Now, when it will represent a circle, there are certain conditions. First condition, h should be equal to 0. The first condition is h should be equal to 0. And now the second condition, a should be equal to b. A should be equal to b. If these two conditions, and if these two conditions are satisfied, then this equation represents a circle. It means we can write ax square plus ay square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now this can represent a circle. Okay. Now, generally, we prefer coefficient of x square and y square as 1. So we write general equation of circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Simply divide the whole equation by a, you will get this equation. Now, this gfc are constant, so don't worry about the symbol. Okay, gfc are any real constant. So this is the general equation of circle. This is the general equation of circle. Okay, this is the general equation of circle. Now, it's very important. If general equation is given, then how to find its radius and center? Because if this is a circle, then definitely it has its center and radius. Okay? Look at this. Now I'm just converting general equation in terms of in the form of center radius. Okay? So the general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is general equation of circle. Now, just try to make perfect square. Making perfect square, what we can write? X plus here x plus g ka whole square by taking this and this, then y plus f ka whole square is equal to what you are getting. We have added extra g square and f square, so we have to add g square and f square on RHS also, and c is like this minus c. So now this is, you can compare, this is general equation of circle which I have written in form of center radius form. What is center radius form? If I write center radius form, just I have written center radius form is equal to r square, this one. So if you compare these two, you can simply write center is how much? Minus g comma minus f, minus g comma minus f. Compare these two. Here center is a, here center is b. So if you compare, what you will get? Center as minus g comma minus f. Now what is radius? This is r square. So this is r square. Then what is r? Under root g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so this is center and this is radius. Simple. So if you have general equation, if you have a circle in general equation form, simply you can write its center and radius. Okay, we can take some example. Now this is equation of circle. Now we have to write its center and radius. So simply you can compare with general equation. What is general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is general equation. Now compare, simply compare the value. 2g is equal to 4. So g is equal to how much? 2. So minus g is equal to how much? Minus 2. Because center is minus g comma minus f. Now minus x is equal to 2f. So simply we can see minus f is equal to 3. Minus f is equal to 3. So what is the center? The center is minus 2 comma 3. Now what is the radius? What is the radius? R is how much? Under root. R is how much? Under root g square. G square how much? 4. Plus f square how much? 9. Minus c. C is how much? You can say simply c is how much? 4. Minus 4. So 4 cancel. Under root 9, that is 3. That is 3. Okay. So center is minus 2 comma 3 and radius is 3. Simply we can find here also. Now first look at the equation. This is not in a proper form. Why? Because here the coefficient is 2. It should be 1. So first divide the whole equation by 2. Now what you will get? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y minus 11 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now compare or simply after solving 2 or 3 questions, simply you can make your own trick that simply we can get its center by dividing x coefficient by -2, y coefficient by -2. Directly you can get its center. How much? Divide by -2. How much you can get? 3. Here 4. So center is 3 comma -4. But the center 4. 3 comma 4. Now what is the radius? Find radius. R is equal to how much? Under root g square, that is 9, plus f square, that is solar, and minus c. So c is already negative. So minus plus, that is 11 upon 2. So simply you can solve. This is how much? 25 into 2. That is 50. 50 plus 11. How much? 61. That is under root 11 upon, under root 61 upon 2. So this is radius and this is center. I think now you can easily find an center and radius of any circle if it is written in general equation form. Okay. Now solve some questions. Having two lines, this and this, as a diameter, and again I am repeating. The point is very, very important. If you have to write equation of circle, simply change for two things, that is center and radius. Always look for two things, center and radius. Because if you know center and radius of any circle, simply you can write its equation. Okay. So two diameters given. Take any two diameters. Okay, they intersect at a point. Any diameters intersect each other at center. So simply, if we solve these two diameters, what we will get? Center. So solve these two equations. First equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Second equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. Okay, solve these two equations. Simply we can multiply it by 4 and this as 3. Simply minus. Then what will you get? If you do minus, simply these two are cancelled out. 8 minus 9, that this is minus x is equal to how much? 5 into 4, 20. 20 minus 21, that is minus 1. Okay. So how much we are getting? X as 1. So x coordinate of center is 1. Now put this value in any equation, x equal to 1. So what is the value of y? 2 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to minus 1. How much we are getting? Y equal to minus 1. So this is the center we got. 1 comma minus 1. Simply you can put in any equation and you can verify that your answer is correct or not. You can verify. Okay. Now we got center. Now what are the other things we need? That is radius. Because we need two things for writing equation of circle, that is center and radius. Center already I got. Now I need to find radius. So how we can get? The other information is given. Area of circle is 154. Area of circle, that is pi r square is equal to how much? 154. 154. So this is how much? 7 times. So r square equal to 49. So r is equal to how much? 7. So r is equal to how much? 7. So this is radius and this is center. Now what we can write? Equation of circle as okay, here I am writing equation of circle as x minus 1 square plus y plus 1 square is equal to r square. So this is equation of circle in center radius form. Okay, so this is equation of circle in center radius form. We can write it as a general form also. We can write any equation of circle in general form. Any equation of circle in general form. Simply what we need to do? Simply expand these two formulas, a minus b whole square and y plus b whole square. Now simply you will get the equation of circle in general form. The next question is what? Find equation of circle which is concentric with this circle and perimeter of its semicircle is 36. Now what is the meaning of concentric? Concentric means circles having same center. Okay, like this. These all circles are concentric. Why? Because they all have same center. Okay, that's why they're known as concentric. Okay, So the circle which we need have the same center as the given circle. Now what is the center of this given circle? First divide by 3. First divide by 3. First divide by 3. Now what is the coefficient? X ka coefficient is how much? 2g is equal to minus 5 upon 3. Now, so what the value of minus g? Simply you can see 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6. Now, if you compare coefficient of y minus 6, that is 2f is equal to minus 6. So, minus f is equal to 3. Okay, sorry, 6 by 3. 6 by 3. So, 3 2 times it will be cancel out. 2 cancel out. So, minus f is equal to how much? Minus f is equal to how much? 1. So, we got the center as 5 by 6 comma 1. Center we got. Now, we need to find radius. Now, what is given? Perimeter of semicircle. Okay. Perimeter of semicircle. Then, what is the perimeter of circle? Semicircle. The perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2r. Okay. This is pi r and this is 2r. So, now perimeter how much? 36 is equal to plus 2r. Now, we can take r common. How much are we getting? 7 to the 14. 14 plus 22. 14 plus 22, that is 36r upon 7. 36 cancel out. R is how much? We are getting r is equal to 7. How much are we getting? R is equal to 7. Now we have radius and center also. So simply we can write equation of circle. Equation of circle as x minus 5 by 6 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to r square, that is 49. So this is equation of circle. So this is equation of circle. Now, next question. Okay. Find the equation of circle having center 4, 3 and touching the line 5x minus 12y is equal to 10. Now, try to decode the given information. What are the information given? Center is given how much? 4, 3. Center is given how much? 4, 3. Now, there is a line. There is a line. Now, there is a line. This one. There is a line, this one, which is touching the circle. It means this line is tangent. This line is tangent to this circle. If any line touching any circle, it means that line is tangent of that circle. Okay. Now, already we know the distance between center and tangent is simply a radius. Okay. The distance between any tangent and its center of circle is known as radius. So now we can find distance between a point and a line. So what is radius? Find the distance. Put the value. Equation of tangent is given. 5 4s are 20 minus 12 3s are 36 minus 10 upon under root 5 ka square 25 plus 12 ka square 144. This one. So how much radius we are getting? This is 46, 20. How much are we getting? 26, because modulus is there. 26 and here we are getting 13. Under root 169. How much? 13. So how much radius we are getting? 2. So radius we are getting 2. Center is already given 4, 3. Now what is the equation of circle? X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4. So this is equation of circle in center radius form. So this is the equation of circle in center radius form for this question. Now the second form is diametric form of circle. What is the meaning of that? The given information is what? The end point of diameter. There is a diameter. Simply we can write AB. End points are given, like this is y x2 comma y2 and this is a x1 comma y1. So end point of diameter is given. Okay. End point of diameter is given. Now try to use the property of diameter. And in class 9th you have already studied. that any diameter forms an angle of 90 degree at any point on circle. So this angle how much? 90 degree. So this is a point P, variable point x comma y, and P is moving on a circle and such that it makes angle how much? 90 degree. How much? 90 degree. The angle formed by AB at P is always how much? 90 degree. Now use the concept. If the angle is 90, suppose the slope of this line PB is M1 and slope of this line AP is M2. Then what is the relation between M1 and M2? M1 M2 is equal to -1. M1 M2 is equal to -1. Now what is M1? What is M1? Y minus Y2 upon X minus X2. Okay, this one. Now what is M2? Y minus Y1 upon X minus X1 is equal to -1. Is equal to -1. Okay, so this is the relation. So now if we cross multiply, how much we are getting? X minus X1 into X minus X2 plus Y minus Y1 into Y minus Y2 is equal to 0. Now this is known as equation of circle in diametric form. This is known as equation of circle in diametric form, where x1, x2 and y1, y2 are the coordinates of extremities of diameter. So if the endpoints of diameters is given, directly we can write the equation of circle in diametric form. We have other method also, the basic method. What are the basic method? Try to find center and radius. A and B is given, so simply by using midpoint theorem we can find its center, because the center will be the midpoint of AB. Now for radius, what we can do? Simply find the distance between AB. The distance between AB will be the diameter of the circle. Okay, so simply by finding diameter dividing by 2 we can get its radius. So that will be the basic method, the center and radius. Okay, but this is the standard form. If diameter endpoint is given, directly we can write the equation of circle. We can rewrite it like this also: x square minus x1 plus x2 x minus x1 plus x1 x2 plus y square minus y1 plus y2 into y plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. So we can write diametric form in this form also. Simply you can consider two quadratic, one in x and other in y, where x1 x2 are the roots of this quadratic and y1 y2 are the roots of this quadratic. Okay, x1 y1, x1 x2, the abscissa of AB, y1 y2, ordinate of AB. Okay, so I hope got the concept. That is the diametric form of circle. Now solve one question. What is given? Find the equation of circle with least radius passing through the point 1, 1 and 3, 3. Simply try to understand. This is A 1, 1 and this is B 3, 2. Now from AB we can draw infinite circle. Okay, simply from 2 points infinite circle can pass, but out of those infinite we have to find the circle that has least radius. Now try to understand the situation when the radius will be least, when AB will be the diameter of that circle. AB will be the diameter of the circle, because diameter is the longest chord of any circle. And if this is diameter, if AB is diameter of this circle, it means this AB will be a simple chord for other circle. Try to understand. AB is diameter of C. Suppose the name of the circle is C. And why it is least? Try to understand. Okay, AB is the diameter of this circle. Okay, C. Now, what will be AB for the other circle? It will be a simply chord. It means for other circle, it's their diameter will be longer than AB. So if you need to find if you need to find a circle having least radius passing through A and B, make AB as diameter. Treat AB as diameter. So now write the equation of circle. Write the equation of circle. Write the equation of circle. X square minus x1 plus x2, that is 4, x plus x1 x2, 1 into 3, 3. Now y square minus y1 plus y2, that is 3y, plus y1 y2, that is 2, is equal to 0. Now what we got? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle. This is the equation of this required circle. So these are the basic things of circle which you need to know to understand the concept of circle.